How to fix this iPhone number cannot be used at this time in Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most effective fix is simply wait for 24 to 72 hours, as Apple often puts a temporary block for some time and then reduces it on its own. So you can simply wait for 24 to 72 hours and make sure not to retry many times. Next, you can try using a different phone number. So try a family numbers or trusted person numbers and the verification might appear. You can change or remove it later if required. Also, while entering the number, make sure that you are entering a correct number with correct country code and make sure to enter the numbers without spaces or symbols. Also, make sure that SMS works on the number that you just entered. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then if you have entered an online or virtual number, then make sure that Apple does not allow online or temporary SMS numbers. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try creating the Apple ID on a different device firstly, as it might be device error, and then try to log in with that particular Apple ID again. Also, see if you are connected to any type of VPN, and if yes, then go ahead and disable the VPN. Also, make sure to check if the number is already linked, as if the number is already in use, then you cannot create a new Apple ID with the same number. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you might need to contact Apple support and ask them for further verification and suggestions. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix this phone number cannot be used at this time Apple ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.